How to get a receipt on Delta Airlines. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to get a receipt on Delta Airlines. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to Delta website using your PC, or you search it out on Google Chrome, Delta Airlines, and once you've searched it out, this interface will be displayed on your screen. Here, the first thing you have at the top left corner of your screen is Delta logo, and you see the book icon here, you see the searching option, you see the check-in option, rather you see the my trips option, you see the flight status option, you also see the travel info, the sky miles, the need help. At the top right corner you see the sign up, the login, the notification icon, and the search icon. You can scroll down the page to know what Delta Airlines is all about. So Delta Airlines is all about vacation deals. It's all about airline travels, and they are just available for you to have comfort when planning or your airline travel, and even while on the travel. So it's very simple. So you can go scroll down the page till you get your answer. So now back to the question, how to get a receipt on Delta Airlines. You simply click on the need help option that is just after the sky miles option and before the sign up option. Once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed, and the first option here says help center. You click on the help center, and you wait for the page to load, the help center page to load. Once the help center page has loaded, you scroll down, you keep scrolling down till you see the option to get a receipt. If you do not see the option to get a receipt, just keep scrolling down and down and down and down carefully. But if you do not see the option to get a receipt, you can just log into their website, delta.com/vacations. Here you will be directed to a virtual agent, that's from Delta Airline virtual agent, who is going to give you an instruction of what exactly you want about the instructions you need about how to get a receipt on Delta Airlines. So it's very simple, okay, and you can try it out too. So I hope you find this video helpful. So this is simply how to get a receipt on Delta Airlines. Thank you.